In order to survive the pandemic downfall, small businesses had to get creative. One Mesa business owner says if she hadn't, she would not be around today. ABC 15's Carla Navarrete joining us live now. Carla, her business centers around healthcare workers, making her survival even more important.
Absolutely. Good morning to you, Nick. Yeah, so the pivot point for this small business owner was to go from a brick and mortar building to a mobile bus unit, allowing her to take her product to places like the hospital. And she says it's proving to be successful, so she's planning on expanding.
To have the ability to go mobile and not have that type of overhead has been a lifesaver for us. If we were stuck in a lease, we would have probably not survived.
Chandra Hammer is the owner at ProMed Apparel in Mesa. She used to have this store for all scrubs and embroidery needs, but now this is the place where nurses, physician's assistants, and anyone needing scrubs shops for their outfits.
By the grace of God, we really, that we were able to use those tools and create a different retail environment for them. So the healthcare workers themselves, when we come to them, they're able to come on the bus, they're able to try everything on, and then we order whatever color they need. The convenience factor of it has been so much easier for them.
Hammer does admit getting a bus store was something she'd thought of and had gotten started before the pandemic. COVID was the catalyst she needed to get the mobile store going.
I was fortunate that my lease came due in November. I had the choice to renew or get out, and I got out.
Hammer says she's busy every single day of the week, traveling to doctors' offices, hospitals, and medical centers throughout the valley. The only hardship, there's no ability to buy on the spot. Everything must be ordered. But this way of doing retail sales, cutting off a huge part of her overhead costs, she says, is the way to go.
I would love to do something in a franchise sense and let these, if somebody's retiring from healthcare or is burnout, which is why I left healthcare. I was burnout. I'd love to somehow facilitate this to be something they can get into and do their own business.
Yeah, and Chandra does have a warehouse where she receives her orders and manages her business. Now, she also says she's ready to expand and, of course, bring this much needed help to the healthcare industry as they work throughout this pandemic. For now, reporting in Chandler, I'm Carla Navarrete, ABC 15, Arizona.
Yeah, and Carla, such an innovative way to keep things going there. Thank you for this.